So, before you should do something, you're supposed to thank God before doing the thing. I know if you see this face, you remember this face. This is Chief Obuafo speaking, the spiritual leader. The one who collected award in 2016 ended. Now we are in 2017. You are sitting down every day and night, hearing that they are mentioning name Chief Obuafo. Who is Chief Obuafo? Was it a color or black? You don't know. But God bless, today you have met Chief Obuafo. All your problems will solve in 2017. We are in. I came to let the world to know, and I came to let everybody to know the meaning of spirit, and the meaning of spiritual marriage, and the meaning of what you are doing, you are not being seen top. Before that, you should do something. Every day I am bringing this way. Somebody did it before. I came here to let the world to know the kind of business that I'm doing, and then the kind of work that I'm doing. And everybody also know that I am a spiritual master in Ghana, not the region. When you are watching my program day and night, my contact are on the screen. Take my contact and call me and discuss your problem to me, and I will let your life and your destiny, it will change for you. We all know before that you should do something. If God did not give you a chance, you cannot do that in the way you want it. I am not the only person who was doing spirit work in Ghana or who was doing spirit work in Northern region. But I thank God, the level God take me go. And then I thank God about what I'm doing, and then I thank God about what I have. Before that, you should come to me. Take my numbers and call me first, and discuss your problem to me second. Before that, I will show you the procedures. Before that, you come and reach my place. When you are doing something, and then you are not getting the thing the way you want it, you can know the reason why what you have been doing, you are not being seeing it up. When you call me, I supposed to collect your name first. I will watch back. If there is something was blocking your chance, I will clean everything before letting you come into my place. How can your life and your destiny, it will change for you? I want the whole world to know we have something called spirit. Our grandfather's time, we have some spirit. That spirit is water. The spirit is water. The way water is clean, the same thing that spirit also is clean. So before that, that place is a dam. So they put the spirit down before that. That place, before that, the place turned to a dam. So the way the water is clean, the same thing that we did everything for you, and then that the same thing that everything will be clean for you, and the business that you've been doing, everything will go genuine for you. When you are buying, they are not buying, and then they will start buying the things the way you want it, and then the way your business is not moving forward, everything will start moving forward the way that the way the water is clean. So when something is worrying you about your business, about your travel issue, you just run away and come to me, and your life and your destiny, it will change for you. I am the only person who can let light to come in your destiny. When you are seeing darkness, every day you are seeing darkness in your life, by the grace of God, today your life will change for you. If you want to turn to somebody, or you want to be a big man about what you are doing, or you need some petition, how to do, and your life to change for you, you just take my contact and call me. And then we have some, this time around that we have been living in, we are collecting some big reports about some of our men deceiving people, collecting their properties. But I, like this, I am not blaming the TV station people. In a month, any TV station in Ghana, every TV station in Ghana, in a month, they are paying $15,000 in a month. Any TV station at all. Whether you get work, you not get work, you're supposed to pay $15,000 to the company, to the network. If you not pay the TV station within a year, they can block that your TV station that people have been watching. So any person who bring a program, they will collect a play for the person, how to get money and pay their bill for if a month reach. So they're supposed to, before that you come to on telly, they're supposed to look at the way you are. How are you doing your work? How many people do you help in Ghana or in this world? How many people do you help them? And then they succeed about what you say you have been doing. If you say that you are helping people about their business side, how many people did you help? And then they get what they want. Or about money side, how many people do you help in Ghana or in this world? They tend to rich people. But you come and say that you are helping people. Inside 1,000 people, even one person knows succeed what you want. We all are not the same. And we can never be the same. And we can never be the same. So if you want your life to change for you, you run and come to me. I can know how to do and let your life to change for you. Before that, you should come to Chief Ogbafo in place. Rush and call me before coming. And then the strangers, those who you need help with us. The time that you people came to us, and then we have some people, the 419 Malams, they have their own taxi drivers. Before that, you will come and reach, pick a taxi, and then the taxi driver will change your mind. Listen to me, what I'm saying. Everybody who have time to watch this program, before that, you should come to me. If I said I pick a taxi, and then a taxi driver will tell you that off your phone, he know where he will take you to, and then you do not come because of the person. You don't know where the taxi driver was picking you to, and then you will make a mistake and follow the rules of the taxi driver. He is a taxi driver and he is a hand robber. When they say somebody is a hand robber, most of taxi drivers, they are big hand robbers in Northern region here. When you see me on telly, you will not see a taxi driver on telly. And then after that, you leave your own town and come to my place. You wanted to come and see me for help. I told you that pick a taxi and come to me. A taxi driver will tell you off your phone. I know what spiritual man I want to take you there. So you will off your phone. You will not come to me again. After that I call you, your phone is off. The taxi driver will take you to different place. They will go and deceive you and collect your property. After that, they collect your property all fully. Before that, you know that they make you for one. That time, they collect what belongs to you. So when you are coming to me, when you come and reach either Tamale or Salaga, when I teach you pick a taxi, when you come, you not see me myself, don't do the work. When you made a mistake and do the work, or made a mistake and went to some place, or a taxi driver tell you off your phone, I'll take you and go to different place. When they collect your money, that one, it depends on you. That one is not my concern. There is 6 people make one mouth to go and find money and take care of their children and take care of their family. Inside the 5 people, they went for look for something. They went and succeed, and then one person take the thing and run away. If it is you, the 4 people remain. What your money will give it to you. So everything that you do in this world, know that the God is God today and is God tomorrow. There are some people, they are saying that, oh, they don't have belief with everything in this world. The time you have money, you forget that there is a pastor in this world. The time that you have money, you forget that there is a spiritual man or there is a malam in this world. After the money finish, or everything finish inside your hand, that's the very day you remember that there is some malam in this world, or there is some pastor in this world. That is the time that you start roaming, finding help. That time the thing has spoiled. When you have money, you're supposed to go and find money and come and add the money that you have. When you go to Accra, look at this sea water. When so rain fall again, the sea will not say that I am occupied. The rain, it will collect and add. So if you have money, make sure that you find some money and go and add. If you have 3 companies, make sure that within a year it will take 4 companies. It means that 1 company also has added. But if you have 3 companies and then 1 company before a year, the company did not add, and then it turned to 2 companies. What will you think? we are doing going forward. We are not doing coming back. I did not come here and talk about somebody. I came to talk about what will help me and you. I believe what I'm doing, and then I believe what I can do. And then I trusted the key that I'm holding. If I close the key, nobody who can open it. I am only one who can open the money key for the whole world and the whole Africa and the whole northern region. Who is Chief of Warfare? People are mentioning your name every day. I am somebody who collected my name since morning up to evening. Nobody who can break the record down. But most people try to break my record down, but unless only mighty Allah. He is the Allah today, He is the Allah tomorrow. And then we still have belief on God. Before that you should come to me, make sure that is God bring me and you in this world. It's the same God that can let me help you. If I fall into shame today, it's only God who let me fall into shame, not any human being in this world. Nobody who can let the I should fall down. If I fall down today, it's only mighty Allah. He is the only mighty Allah who let me fall down. Any problem that you have about your business, about your travel issues, you run and come to me. I can know how to do and your life to change for you. Never say that maybe you went to some place, they deceive you and give you something different, my brother. Never say that. I believe myself and I believe what I can do. I believe myself and I believe what I can do. So when you trust on God and you believe what you have been doing, we have something called rumors. Never hear about what people have been saying. If you want to follow what people have been saying, you will not be getting what you want. If you are following what people have been saying, you will not get what you want. We have something called instant money. What is the meaning of instant? When a white man says instant, can you give me the meaning of instant? What a white man say that God's money. What is the meaning of God's money? You can know. And then today, I want to show you the meaning of instant and the meaning of the God's money. We have something that we can give it to you. That thing, every blessing week, you can get like $5,000 in a week. Every week, the Spirit can give you like $5,000. Ministers, MPs, big men, those who have big business, that's the secret they have been holding. But it's not everything that you can come on telly and come and talk about it. $5,000 in a week you will get every week. You can wait for good 9 months, but within the 9 months, the Spirit I give it to you, the Spirit will come back to me. So when you know that you need it, you return back and come to me. But if you need the weekly one, before that you come to my presidency, there's some 3 items that we will buy. That 3 items will cost you $1,000. $1,000 will you buy any item that we need for the God's money. For the instant money, before that you come to my place, we'll buy 5 items. The 5 items can cost you $2,000. Anything that we need, it can cost us like $2,000. The $2,000, we can call the man like maybe $1 billion for you. That one is instantly. When a white man call instant, you will come in front of me. I will do everything and call the money from front of you and give everything to you. I do not say that come and pay me some money back. But when somebody did something good to you, you're supposed to come and give the person anything that you know that you have. But I cannot tell you, so go and buy it or go and buy this. After I finish the work, not that what I told you that bring this. After I told you go and one man called me from Côte d'Ivoire. The man was telling me that he came to Ghana. He went to some place. They told him that he should go and buy this, go and buy this, go and buy woman breast. Indeed, where can you get woman breast? Or go and buy woman nose and come in this world. If you know that you cannot do it, don't come and spoil. We can do the name. And then we believe what we can do. and then we are still doing it. And then people also believe that they came to us and get the benefit of what we have been doing. Because if I did something to you, you do not get benefit. You will not come back. But nobody came to me before he went back and the person did not come back and come and greet him. No. Because he came and see what I can do. Now women are coming on telly, calling themselves their spiritual women. Women are coming on telly, calling themselves they are helping people with money. And everybody in this world know that spirit doesn't want dirty. And God also created any woman in a month. She will start seeing some blood in body. When a woman was starting bleeding, how can a spirit will collect you? This light that you have been seeing, spirit doesn't want what's called light. Spirit doesn't want light. Where light is, spirit doesn't like that place. Where spirit light is, like public toilet, spirit like that place. Where is bush, spirit like that place. Or inside sea water, spirit like that place. But spirit doesn't like where is light and then where is shining. Spirit doesn't like that way. And where I am working is outside town small. The reason why I wanted to bring about where I am working. There is a stranger that came to me and ran away. They say where I'm taking them to, I am going to kill them. No, it's not like that. Everything wants secret. Secret is everything. Secret can let you everything to move forward for you. Even though your mouth doesn't have a secret, you cannot get what you want. So my brothers and sisters, I am the only person who can let light to shine in your life. Never sit at one place and say that I have traveled a lot or I hear a lot of... Somebody will just come to tell you and be saying that this Tigo light or this Tigo number, send money on me and you get what you want. About spiritual issues, not about sending money. Come and see and have belief about what you are coming for. We need everybody to let in mind to come about what we have been doing.